Hello and welcome to the Iowa Land Records e-submission training series. E-submission is the fastest and most efficient way to deliver documents to Iowa counties for recording, and the easiest method for correcting errors when submitting documents. In this segment you will learn the detailed steps for completing the e-submission short form. Log into the Iowa Land Records e-submission website with your username and password. Select the Login button to continue. After logging in as an authorized e-submitter, you are able to add a new group or container that will be used to submit one or more documents to a county in the state of Iowa. To continue, select the Add Group button. Next, create a name for the group. Group names must be unique and cannot be reused. Unique group names allow users to document and monitor different transactions. After naming a group, specify the county where the documents are to be submitted. Use the drop-down list to specify the county. For this demonstration, Adair County is selected. After the group name and county are specified, select the Create button. Now that the group has been created, documents can be added to the group. Click the Add Document button to begin. After clicking Add Document, you will be directed to the short form. This is how the short form looks when you first arrive on the page. Notice that there is a drop-down list and text boxes to enter required information. Iowa Land Records accepts many types of real estate documents. These documents are specified in the drop-down list on the form. Some document types such as deeds and contracts require a little more information, but only what is necessary to complete the filing. The short form only requires the minimum and basic information needed by a county recorder to review and process a document for recording. The Browse button is used to attach a PDF document to the form. Simply select the list and highlight the document type which is most appropriate for the transaction. If you submit documents through traditional means, you will already know what type of document to select. For this demonstration, the document type Other is selected. In the general information area of the form you will notice several text boxes which are gray and inactive. These are dynamic text boxes that may be activated based on the document type selected. For example, the document type Deed would activate these areas, because there may be additional recording fees required or other business rules may apply. The dynamic text boxes illustrated here will be explained in a separate training segment about filing real estate conveyance documents. For now, disregard these items in the short form. The party information area of the short form also contains dynamic text boxes. The text boxes are activated based on whether the party is a person or organization. Choose the name type which best fits your situation and needs. Then enter the most appropriate name of a party to the transaction. For this example, the party is a person. There are a few important things to keep in mind concerning party names. First, submitters are only required to enter one, and only one name for the party. It doesn't matter how many parties there are in the transaction. For the purpose of submitting a document for recording, only one name is required. Additionally, if a person's name is being entered in this part of the form, only the first and last names are required. It is not a requirement to enter middle name, suffix or capacity. Select the Browse button on the short form to attach the document you wish to submit. Navigate to your file directory and find the document you wish to submit. Click on the desired document. Then select the Open button. The document, which must be a black and white PDF with portrait orientation, will be attached to the short form. When the required information is entered on the short form, select the Save button to move to the final steps. After saving the short form, the Review tab will be displayed. Here, review the calculated recording fees to make sure they are what you expect them to be. Then choose the appropriate radio button based on whether you wish to add more documents to your group. If the Yes radio button is selected, then you will be returned to a new blank short form. If the No radio button is selected, then you will be returned back to the Group tab. For this demonstration, the No Radio button is selected. The Submit button is selected to return to the Group tab. Notice that the document you added to the group appears in a table on the Group tab page. If you are satisfied that the information about the document is correct, select the Submit Group button to complete the submission. The information will be presented to the appropriate county recorder for recording. After you select the Submit Group button, you will be returned to the home page. On the home page, a confirmation message will be displayed. Congratulations! You now know how to complete the e-submission short form. Here are some key points to remember. Log into Iowa Land Records and select Add Group. Enter the group name, remember it must be unique. Select a county to submit the group to. Select Add Document. Use the drop-down to select the document type. Enter the party name. Browse for and attach the document. Click Save. Review the information in the Review tab. Determine if you have more documents to add to the group. Select Submit to add the document to the group. Select Submit Group to submit the group to the county recorder. That's it. Everything you need to know to complete the short form. Thank you for participating in the Iowa Land Records training program. More resources and training information can be found in the tutorials section at iowalandrecords.org/e-submission. For the latest news about activities at Iowa Land Records, please follow us on Twitter at Iowa Land Records. Again, thank you and have a great day.